Hi everyone, again my name is Saul and I'm a product specialist here with Toyota, and I'm standing next to a very popular vehicle right now. This is the Tundra, and you might recognize it from a YouTube video, or for those of you who watch the news, when it actually pulled the Space Shuttle Endeavour to its final resting place here in Los Angeles at the Space Center. Now this is your Tundra, which was not modified in any way, shape, or form. It has the 5.7 liter V8 engine, 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pound of torque, towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. However, in this particular instance, it did pull the Space Shuttle for about a mile or so, and now the Space Shuttle is at the space station in LA. So here you have it, the Tundra, and it's live here at the LA Auto Show.
Do you have a prices of the Tundra for 2013?
Oh sure, the price of the Tundra could range anywhere, I mean, depending on the trim levels, because we have about 30 different versions of the Tundra, anywhere from about 25 all to about 50, depending on what you want.
What you want.